ABC Weather Lab. Here's Bradley's forecast.
Well, warm and muggy out there this weekend across Acadiana. Got up to 86 this afternoon, at least here in Lafayette. But we do have some changes on the way into the middle parts of the upcoming week. In fact, got a frontal boundary here across portions of Texas and Oklahoma this evening, producing a good amount of shower and storm activity. Even a severe thunderstorm warning there as we get into portions of Arkansas. And again, that front's going to be moving into Acadiana. Looks like late tomorrow evening and then going into early Tuesday. So let's time it out here with the graph model. It's going to be mild overnight tonight into our Monday morning. Temperatures struggle to drop into the upper 60s, so it looks like lower 70s for that overnight low. And then we'll see intervals of clouds and sunshine throughout the day. It's going to be a warm one as temperatures continue to push the mid 80s into the afternoon. But again, here comes this front. So showers and some storms increasing in coverage here across Acadiana late in the afternoon and then going into tomorrow evening. And then we should start to more or less kind of dry things out tomorrow night and then going into Tuesday. We may see a couple isolated lingering showers for the first half of Tuesday, but rain chances will be down to around 20%. It's also going to be slightly cooler out there as temperatures only top out in the 70s. Most of the day is going to be cloudy, maybe some peaks of sunshine late in the Tuesday afternoon, but not a guarantee. But dew points are going to be coming down near 60 Tuesday afternoon, but then they're going to be dropping into the 50s as we head into Wednesday. So that's going to definitely give that air a more refreshing feel to it for sure. Also, low end chance that we could see an isolated storm capable of producing a strong wind gust going into tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening. So most of Acadiana locked in only for that level 1 out of 5 risk to see severe storms, but only about a 5% chance that we see that. So not overly likely. As far as rainfall amounts, going to be one of those situations. If you see a heavier thunderstorm, you could pick up a half an inch to an inch, but most of us picking up less than that, especially across the coastal parishes. And then again, the rest of the week actually looking pretty nice, especially Wednesday into Thursday with that comfortable humidity that we're going to be enjoying. Temperatures tonight, mild out there, lower 70s. That's where we'll start our Monday, and then warm tomorrow afternoon, mid 80s. But notice the northern parts of the state, they're going to be in the 70s. And then again, we'll start to see some of that slightly cooler air moving into Acadiana going into Tuesday, starting out mid to upper 60s. And then temperatures only topping out in the 70s come Tuesday afternoon. So tonight, another mild one for sure. 70 only for that overnight low under generally fair skies out there. And then as we kick off the new week tomorrow for our Monday, definitely going to be warm one, 85 to 86 into the afternoon. Scattered mainly afternoon and evening showers and storms. So that's when we'll bump rain chances up to around 60 to 70%. But most of that's going to be out of here by Tuesday as we are left with mostly cloudy skies out there, but then lots of sunshine Wednesday into Thursday with those less humid conditions. So some beautiful weather as we head into the middle parts of the week, but then we're going to be warming things up by the end of the week and heading into the weekend as temperatures are going to be pushing well into the mid and upper 80s. Still some changes possible as we head into the weekend. Went ahead and lowered rain chances just a bit for Saturday and weighed them a little bit more towards Sunday at around 30%. But again, still a little murky with the models at this point. They're definitely going to come into better focus here, Scott, over the next few days as the week progresses. But bottom line, comfortable temperatures and humidity midweek, and then it's going to be feeling like early summer. And it's going to be May. So,
it's going to be May. Get the bad stuff out of the way tomorrow, too, right?
That's right.
All right. Thank you, Bradley.